How to change your height in Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch a Roblox. After you are landed in this interface, go to Avatar, go to Customize, go to Head and Body. You will see the options of torsos and you just have to change it according. Now go to legs, build, and now you can choose the body size and your height like this. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.